Hello and welcome to the second video of the Drone Project Operations and Management module. Here we shall talk about setting up your project. Planning is one of the most important tasks in any kind of project. Things will never entirely go according to a plan, but by stating in advance how and what work is to be done, a plan provides direction for action. It clearly defines realistic goals and objectives and helps minimize risk. Let's talk about the structure of our setup. We must create a drone project management plan, have clear scopes and objectives set well in advance, and establish clear statement of what is to be done. We must also establish costs and durations, the risks to be managed, and the resources required for the project. All of these together are part of your drone project management plan. The drone project management plan, also known as the DPMP, is the master document for the project. It needs to contain the project objectives, scope, and deliverables. It needs to identify stakeholders, both internal and external, and their importance based on different phases of the project. The work breakdown structure, the hierarchical decomposition of the total scope of work to be carried out by the project team to accomplish the project objectives and create required deliverables. It needs to define work to be done. OBS, also known as Organizational Breakdown Structure, is used to define the responsibilities for project management, cost reporting, billing, budgeting, and project control. The OBS provides an organizational rather than a task-based perspective of the project. We also have the cost breakdown structure. The CBS is required for project business to appropriately manage the financial aspect of any project. It is the planning structure financial controllers use to create budgets and calculate various financial metrics such as estimate at completion, cost to complete, variances, earned value, and more. What is scheduling? The listing of deliverables, activities, and the setting of milestones within a project. It must have a start and finish date, duration, and resources assigned to its activities. A DPMP must also lay down the procurement and contract strategies to be used. It needs to identify and prioritize risks and ways to minimize and manage them. It needs to have strong guidelines for quality management and a plan for change management. With this, we finish our second video. Thank you.